This tutorial is RAM cleaner for iPhone online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Main boys and girls, circles and squares, RAM cleaner iPhone, I got you. There's two ways to do this you're seeing here on the screen. We're gonna do both. First way is to download this application on your iPhone or iOS device, mem clean. Basically, all you need to do is click the rocket icon right here. Basically, RAM or memory on your iPhone, iOS device, completely for free. Second way or option you can do this is go under to settings on your iOS or iPhone device. You can see we just cleared 850 megabytes. I was going to say gigabytes of RAM, and now we have 30 gigabytes or 30% available. Settings icon, the search bar, type in the following: assistive touch. First option. This is a really cool bonus feature and trick. Again, you can tell your friends, family, you name it. I didn't know this, but once I knew this, my life was changed. You want to click the first option, assistive touch. This is enabled as it will be color green. Now you have the circle or this icon on it. And on device on the top right hand screen. Click and hold lock screen on the top left hand screen for 2 seconds. Now basically you will want to not power off your device and don't click cancel. The icon one more time and down the home button for 2 seconds. And boom, voila, you've successfully cleared your RAM on your iPhone completely for free. Catch you in the next